Can a robot paint a masterpiece or write a song that moves your soul? Today, we're diving into the ultimate battle. AI versus human creativity. Artificial intelligence is advancing at lightning speed. From generating music to creating stunning artwork, AI seems unstoppable. But can it truly be creative, or is it just mimicking human genius? Let's dive in and find out. But before we get into this epic showdown, we need to ask ourselves, what exactly is creativity? Is it just a matter of producing something new, or is there more to it? You see, creativity isn't just about generating something different. It's about expressing emotions, having intuition, and using your imagination to bring ideas to life. Humans have the ability to combine their experiences, culture, and emotion to create something truly unique. Something that maybe even they themselves didn't know they had inside them. And that's something that AI, as of right now, still struggles to grasp. So how does AI create? Well, it's all about learning from vast amounts of data. By identifying patterns, predicting trends, and generating content, I can produce art, music, stories, even movies at an astonishing pace. Tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and ChatGPT are revolutionizing the way we think about creativity. These AI tools allow anyone to generate realistic images, compose music, or write anything they can imagine. Simply by entering a few words or phrases, users can create stunning works of art, music, or literature in seconds. It's like having a digital genie that can grant any creative wish almost instantly. But here's the secret truth. While these tools are incredibly powerful, they're only as good as the data they were trained on. I can't feel emotions or imagine beyond the patterns it's learned. It's like teaching a parrot to speak. The parrot can mimic human speech, but it doesn't truly understand the meaning behind the words. So when it comes to the big question, which one is more creative, AI or humans? The answer isn't so simple. Humans bring intuition, emotions, and cultural context to the table, while AI offers speed, precision, and endless variations. In art, for example, AI can create stunning pieces quickly, but humans are the ones who innovate, express emotions, and challenge the norms. True creativity often comes from the struggle, from pouring your heart and soul into your work. Can AI replicate that? Some would argue, no. The true magic happens in the imperfections, the moments of inspiration that can't be replicated by algorithms. Take a look at some of the most famous artworks in the world. The Mona Lisa, the Starry Night, the Scream. These paintings aren't just pretty pictures. They're windows into the souls of the artists who created them. And that's something that AI, with its cold, hard logic, can't replicate. But wait, before you crown humans the ultimate creative champions, consider this. AI is learning and evolving at a rapid pace. Who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day AI will be able to create works of art that rival those of the masters. Music is another realm where AI is making waves. Musicians are using AI software to compose songs faster than ever before. But is it the same as having a songwriter pour their heart out into their music? Only time will tell. So, what does this all mean? Should we fear that AI will replace human creativity? Well, here's the thing. We won't have to think of it as a battle because AI and humans won't have to fight. They can work together. Humans can use AI as a tool to enhance their creativity, to explore new ideas, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a world where AI and humans collaborate, where robots assist writers, where AI paints assist artists, and where machines compose music alongside musicians. It's a future where creativity knows no bounds. Here's the bottom line. Creativity is more than just the output. It's about the meaning, the emotions, and the story behind the work. Yes, AI can create stunning images and compose beautiful music. But it's the human touch that makes creativity truly come to life. So let's celebrate both the power of AI and the magic of human creativity. Because in the end, it's our unique blend of emotions, experiences, and imagination that makes us truly creative. So what do you think? Can AI ever be truly creative? Or does it always lack that certain je ne sais quoi? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you made it this far, why not show your support? Your likes and shares mean the world to us. So give them a tap or a click and stay tuned for more thrilling adventures into the world of AI. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep being awesome. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the mind-blowing advancements in artificial intelligence. And if you're hungry for more, we've got you covered. Dive into our other videos where we unpack the latest breakthroughs and trends shaping the AI world. See you in the next one.